Hello, everyone. My name is Ridwan Teslim Lioni, and I'm the founder and CEO at ICAN Online Tutors. I just want to quickly drop this video. If you're writing the ICAN exams for the November 2026 diet, you've got just about 100 days left. And I just wanted to share some tips on what you need to do to make the best out of this 100 days. So, firstly, if you haven't enrolled in any class, I would advise you enroll in a class, and it's okay also if you want to do personal study. But I know you should know your strengths and your weakness. If you know you need a class, enroll now. Don't brood or don't think about what has happened in the past. Just go ahead. You don't have much time. 100 days is not a lot. Secondly, you need to have a timetable, a study timetable. So don't wait until when it's 1 or 2 months until exam. It's not going to be enough. You need to start studying now. So you need to create a schedule for yourself on how you want to study. Even if it's one course, you need to create a schedule for yourself. Thirdly, is that you need to strategize. Yeah, strategy. So if you are doing a mix of courses which spans between calculation and theory courses, this is what you need to do. It is better to study for the calculation courses in the early hours of the day. That's in the morning. And the reason why this is like this is because calculation courses require you to be fresh, and you are most likely to be fresh in the morning. So try and take the courses, try and study for the courses in the morning. If you're a busy person, also try and do the same thing. In my earlier video, I shared strategy on how you can study as a busy professional person. This video is on YouTube. I'm happy to share the link with you. Or you can just check out YouTube channel on this. Fourthly, is also ask questions. Yeah, ask your tutors questions. This is the moment you need to ask those questions. So you don't understand the concept, ask them. This is why the more reason you should join classes. But if you are doing self-study also, for example, if you are using IoT videos also, you would see that some of the questions we'll have loved to ask were already asked in the videos. The fifth thing is that make sacrifice. You need to make some sacrifices. Not all events are worth going to at this moment. So choose the events you want to decide to go to wisely. Yes. So, I mean, if it's not what you go in, if you don't need to go, don't go. When you qualify, you would have all the time to go for those events. And the last but not the least is that you should pray. Yeah, you should pray. It's even the most important thing, pray about it, ask God for guidance, whether you're a Muslim or you're a Christian. Pray about the whole thing, ask God for guidance. We also encourage students to do a peer-to-peer group learning also. And so we organize that for you guys. If you're interested, peer-to-peer learning, just to make you accountable on the journey. So we create peer-to-peer learning for students, and we encourage group discussions also on our discussion groups also. Yes, group discussions. All right, that'll be all for today. Thank you, and I wish you success in your forthcoming exam. Take care.